Hello students, today we are going to discuss about scientific notation, one of the important topic in 11th CBSE chemistry. It's a basic concept which is useful in both physics, maths and chemistry. So dear students, scientific notation is the way to write the number which is too big or too small. अगर कोई नंबर बहुत बड़ा है या बहुत छोटा है उसे लिखने का आसान तरीका है साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. So here we are going to use one formula. You have to remember that formula, children. The formula is n into 10 to the power of small n. अभी यहाँ पे ये कैपिटल n है. This capital N can be considered as a non-zero number. Capital N is a non-zero number which is usually present in left of the decimal. डेसिमल के लेफ्ट साइड में रहता है ए नॉन ज़ीरो नंबर. नाउ दिस स्मॉल n इज एक्चुअली इट मे बी एनी नंबर दैट विल बी आइदर पॉजिटिव वैल्यू और नेगेटिव वैल्यू. ये जो एक्सपोनेंट स्मॉल n है वो कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है और वो नंबर पॉजिटिव भी रह सकता है या तो नेगेटिव भी रह सकता है. लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल्स टू लर्न मोर अबाउट साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. सो वी हैव वन नंबर हियर. It's a too big number. The scientific notation form of this number is 1.37 into 10 to the power of 8. हमने इस बहुत बड़े नंबर को साइंटिफिक नोटेशन की मदद से ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है. चलिए देखते हैं कि ये नंबर हम कैसे लिखते हैं. सो कंसिडर हियर द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज एट द एक्सट्रीम राइट. अभी मैं क्या करूँगा, ए डेसिमल पॉइंट को मैं लेफ़्ट साइड की तरफ लेके जाऊँगा. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो ये डेसिमल को मैंने 8 डिजिट सामने लेकर गया हूँ लेफ़्ट साइड में. तो ये नंबर बना 1.37 इंटू 10 to the power of 8. Here you need to remember one thing. If you are taking the decimal to the left side, अगर आप डेसिमल को लेफ्ट साइड में लेके जा रहे हैं तो स्मॉल n की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी. इफ यू आर टेकिंग द डेसिमल टू द राइट साइड then the small n value, the exponent small n value will be negative. If you are taking the decimal to the right side then the exponent will be in negative value. So let us take few more examples to learn the scientific notation. So we have this number. Now this number, consider the decimal point is here. Now this decimal point I am going to take to the left side. 1 2 3 4 5. So the number will be 3.47 into 10 to the power of 5. This is the scientific notation. Now one more big number we have. So here I am going to take the decimal to the left side. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will be 9.02 into 10 to the power of 8 plus 8 because I am taking the decimal to the left side. So we have one more number. That number is 61400. I am taking decimal to the left side. That will be 1 2 3 4. So it will be 6.14 into 10 to the power of 4. So we have few more examples. Now in this case we are going to take the decimal to the right side. अभी यहाँ पे देखिए 0.000882 नंबर है. अभी ये मैं डेसिमल को मैं राइट साइड में लूँगा. सो इट विल बिकम -1 -2 -3 -4. तो सिग्निफिकेंट साइंटिफिक नोटेशन हुआ 8.82 into 10 to the power of -4. Why -4? Because I have taken the decimal to the right side. So we have one more example. Let us consider this number. Now in this number also we are going to shift the decimal to the right side. अभी मैं decimal को right side में लूँगा. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. तो आंसर बना 5.9 into 10 to the power of -7 is the answer. We have one more example here, that is 0.00004. Now I am going to take the decimal to the right side. So the answer will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the answer is 4 into 10 to the power of -5. So in this way we are going to write the scientific notation. So another important topic we are going to discuss is significant figures. So children, significant figure in the sense a meaningful digit. मीनिंगफुल डिजिट, सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स का मतलब आता है इट्स अ मीनिंगफुल डिजिट विच इज नोन with certainty, known with a certainty. Consider I have 3 students x, y and z. अभी मैंने इन तीनों स्टूडेंट्स को एक वायर दिया है टू मेजर. आई हैव गिवन द वायर टू मेजर. So student x said that the length of the wire is 10.77 centimeter and student y result is 10.79 centimeters and student z, he said the length of the wire is 10.76. So in all these cases, the meaningful digit is 10.7. So this is considered as a significant figure. Now we have certain rules to remember to mention the significant figures. The first rule says that leading zeros are not significant. The zeros which are to the left side, leading zeros, are not significant. We are not going to consider them as a significant. Or 0 place left to non-zero. यहाँ पे 3 non-zero है और 3 non-zero के सामने लेफ्ट साइड में हमें 3 0 देखने को मिल रहे हैं. So those zeros are not significant. For example, I'll take one more example here. The example is 0.015. Here non-zero is 1 and leading to this non-zero there are 2 zeros are there. So these 2 zeros are not significant. We should not consider that. So second rule says that non-zeros are always significant. The non-zero values are there which are significant. For example, in this number 3 and 7 are non-zeros. So both 3 and 7 are significant. Then trailing zeros to the right of the decimal point are significant. Trailing zeros right of the decimal point are significant, or we can say 0 at the right side of the decimal. Decimal point के जो right side में जो zeros हैं, they are significant. For example, if I write the number 5.0000, here these 4 zeros are to the right side of this decimal. So all these 4 zeros are significant along with this 5. So another rule, it says 0 in between zeros or zeros between two non-zeros are significant. For example, we have a number, consider 5005. So these 2 zeros are between non-zero 5. So these 2 should be considered as significant. So here we have few example. The number 0.002060. In these significant figures are 4. The significant figures are this 2060, because these 3 zeros are not significant because they are left to the non-zero and they are not significant. So answer is 4 significant figures for this number. Next example, 4108 minus 0. And here all these digits are significant. The answer is 5 because the 0 right side to the decimal are significant. So along with this 4108, this 0 also significant. So answer is 5. We have one more number, number 70900. So here decimal point is here. So to the decimal, to the left side, whatever the zeros are there, that we should not consider. They are not significant. These two zeros are not significant because they are to the left side of the decimal. So only these three numbers 709 are the significant figures. So number is 3. So let us take few more examples to learn that. So 1, 2, 3, 5.2. So can you tell me how many significant figures it has? Yes, the significant figures are 5. All those numbers are significant because rule says that all non-zero digits are significant. So let us take one more example. 8008. So here the significant figure is 4 because the 0 between non-zero digits are significant. This is second rule. Now we'll take one more example. 0.0253. Here the zeros place left to the non-zero are not significant. That's why the significant figures are only 3. This is the third rule. Let us go to the next rule. We have one more example. 2.00. So here 0 at the right side of the decimal, point are significant. So the answer for this is 3 because zeros to the right side of the decimal are significant. If the question is 100, they are asking to write the significant figures. So here significant figures is not 3, it is 1 because decimal is here. Left side of the decimal, whatever the zeros are there, they are not significant. So the significant figure is just 1. So if I write 1.00, here the zeros are to the right side of the decimal, so they are significant. So the answer is 3. Then last rule says that if I am taking an exponential term, for example 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this exponent is not significant. We should not consider. It is not significant. Only the answer is 4 and 8. So the significant figures are 2. 2 is the answer here. So this is about the scientific notation and significant figures.